start recording. Okay. Let's go to our Google Classroom. Tayo dito. So, week 3. Nasa week 3 na tayo. Last week na demo ko ba? Okay, anyway. So, last week, I posted the website where you can download some installers. Yan. Kailangan yung install yung PhoneGap. By the way, may foreigner ba dito? Parang wala naman atang foreigner. Wala ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, attendance muna pala bago tayo magkalimutan. Group 2. So, today is September 20. Mr. Aglubat. Mr. Aglubat? Where are you? Gabriel? Baka hindi niya alam yung schedule. Hindi 9:30. Tama, 9:30 to 10:30. So, supposedly, alam niya.
Sir, nagawan sa T-Kuryente Agenda, sir. Pati anda Andren, sir.
Ay, wala siyang kuryente daw.
Katanda na kanyang, sir.
Oo nga, too bad, wala siyang kuryente. Anyway, if in case na ganun, merong instances na hindi ka makapag-online because of emergency, don't worry, it will be uploaded. Naka-record naman tayo. I'm using the OBS. Yan, kahit na hindi ko ni-record dito. Diba normally dito nila nire-record. Yan. Hindi ko na ginagamit yung recording nito. Anyway, yan. Basta it will be uploaded. Recorded naman siya. So, if in case na na-miss nyo yung synchronous class, don't worry, magpo-post naman kami ng video ng sync class, and then you can do the activity. Okay? Yan. Nasaan na tayo? Dito. Yan. Attendance pala. Sorry, aglubat. So, wala daw kuryente. So, excuse na lang siya. Aguilar.
Sir, present.
Present. Dalihan lang natin. Flores Moses. Flores. 2 araw na siyang wala. Gallegos Benji.
Present.
Present. Galvez Adrian Dumo.
Sir, present.
Galvez Jalen Mark.
Present, sir.
Go Christian Jim. Christian Jim. Wally. Hidalgo Romel Jr.
Sir, present.
Limpayes Aaron John.
Present, sir.
Present. Sir, pwede ba yung Android Studio na lang yung gagamitin? Sir, pwede ba yung Android Studio na lang yung install or kailangan pang PhoneGap? Okay, why I choose PhoneGap? Kasi yung PhoneGap kasi madali lang siyang gamitin and hindi siya nagre-require ng specification, yung matataas na specification. But if in case that you want Android Studio, take note, the Android Studio is a native programming, mobile programming. So, ibig sabihin, pang Android lang siya. And, mataas din yung specification niya na kailangan. But if in case that you want Android Studio, okay lang as long as the output is the same. Yung Mr. Aglubat joined already. Good morning, Mr. Aglubat. Okay. It's okay that if you want to use the Android Studio, it's okay as long as the output that the activities that I will give you is correct. Okay lang if you want to use the Android Studio. But then again, the Android Studio has a different programming language. Okay? Yan. Iba kasi yung programming language of the Android Studio. The Android Studio
Sir, I'm
is
present.
Java. Yeah. Later on, I'll be checking your attendance. Yun, Android Studio. So, yun. It's up to you if you want. For the phone gap, that is JavaScript. We'll be using JavaScript. We'll be using what else? HTML, cascading style for the design, and etc. Yun nga lang, if you want to use the Android Studio, then magse-self-study ka, limpayos. Kasi we are concentrating on the phone gap.
Sir, ayaw naman mag-open ng phone gap.
Don't worry, I'll be giving you some instruction. Pwede pa yan, pwede yan. Kahit na hindi mag-open yung phone gap ninyo. Okay? Let's go back to our attendance. Mr. Aglubat? Aglubat? Are you there? Gabriel Patrick Aglubat?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm present.
Okay, good. Next is
We lost power in Negilian, so we started up the generator.
wow.
The Wi-Fi connection doesn't work, so I'm using my pop's hotspot.
Naka-generator sila. Wow. Okay, sana all. Limpayos. Aaron,
Present, sir.
present. Next. Manalon. Manalon,
Sir, present.
Mark Andrew. Hide lang natin.
Present.
Present. Maravilla Amiel.
Sir,
Bryce.
aglobat nga talaga sir, na onti power na sir.
Malolobat. Okay. Mercado Neil Alexander.
Sir, present.
Present. Noveloso Vince Jason. Noveloso? Wala siya.
Mic check, mic check.
Yeah, I can hear you, Mr. Agdubat.
Alright, I'm using my old earplugs.
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, next, Orpilia Ronald.
Sir, present.
Pimentel Vincent.
Sir, present.
Remorin Aaron Charles.
Present, sir.
Kalika Jasmine.
Present, sir.
Flores Micaela.
Present, sir.
Lionel Karen.
Sir, present.
May manok manikis. Ira.
Present, sir.
Sorry. May manok kasi.
Sir,
Okay.
Pabo.
Ay, pato ba yun? Parang, hindi
Sir,
pabo.
happy ka sir ah.
Pabo siya. O kulokol sabi niya eh. Joke. Naka-record pala.
Sir, happy ka sir ah.
Hindi. Kailangan lang maging happy ng Monday. And next, asa na? Google Classroom. Okay, check ko lang ulit. Flores, Go, Noveloso. O, wala sila ngayon. Absent. Then, let's go na to our Google Classroom. Ayan, ito. So, week 3.
Sir, marsupay, sir.
Oo nga pala, CS pala. Forgot. Oo nga pala, no. Group 2 pala kayo. So, kasama ang mga CS18. And, yung iba kasi nandito yung IT. September 20. Ayan. Parang mamimiss ko magturo ah. Akas Carl.
Sir, present.
Bandayril.
Diego.
Jojo. Custodio. Rainier.
Sir, present.
Marzo. Gerald.
Present, sir.
Nilio Shan.
Sir, present.
Rovisque. Miro. Kakaibang mga pangalan. Kabudoy Michaela.
Present, sir.
Inan Eunice Isabel.
Present, sir.
Tangalin Francio.
Francois, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Ang hirap i-pronounce yung ibang pangalan niyo. Next time na lang. Okay, okay na yung attendance natin. And then, here, saan na tayo dito? Oh, group 2. Okay, so like I said, if you want to use the Android Studio, then what is important to me is the output or yung activity. As long as you can do the activity, whatever programming language you are using or any programming softwares that you will be using, then it's okay as long as the output is correct. But then again, the software that we'll be using is the PhoneGap. I choose PhoneGap kasi
Yeah. About that,
Yeah.
I'm still having trouble with the phone guy.
Mhm.
It's still loading.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll be demonstrating to you how to create an application even though that the PhoneGap is not working. Okay?
Because I don't know where to start in Cordova.
Okay, it's okay. Yep. One of the requirements in order for you to create an application for Android is first we'll be using PhoneGap. So you need to install the PhoneGap, the Node.js. You will be needing this one, and then the Android Studio. Okay. Like I said, Android, and you will be installing the PhoneGap, Node.js, and Android Studio in your computer unit. Okay. Now, references. That one. Okay, so let's try this one. One of our problem when we open our PhoneGap, still loading, right? Still loading. Don't worry, kasi we'll be using the command line. Okay, so no need to open this one. Okay, you need just close that one, the PhoneGap. But still you need that application, so you need to install that in your computer unit. Next is you need this one. This is the Cordova command line. So you need to open your command line, command prompt. Let me use my magnifier. So you will be you need to open this one. Dapat pala okay, next.
Sir, gawan mo na lang ng video, sir.
Nakaano na to. Yun na lang. Don't worry, this is recorded and then this will be uploaded in our Google Classroom. Recorded naman siya.
Okay, sir.
So I gave you the link already last week, Cordova command line. Just open that one and then just follow the instruction. You need to download and install the Node.js, like I said, because you will be needing some of the commands in order for you to create the application. Okay.
Sir, yung Node.js ko, sir, uray niya na.
Any version will do.
Okay.
Yung version niya, kahit anong version, any version of Node.js, as long as it is compatible to your operating system, to your computer unit, then we don't have any problem with that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so if in case that your operating system is OS X or Linux, you will be using this command. But if you will be using the Windows, then this will be the command for that. Okay. Just copy this one and then go to your command prompt. Go to your command prompt here. Um, for example, in my drive C, I have here the phone gap folder. Okay, phone gap folder, and then let me remove this one. Okay. Again, in my drive C, here, I created a folder phone gap there. And then here, I'll be going to my directory, cd phone gap, and then you need to have this command line to install the Cordova. But I've already installed that in my computer unit. Yes, Neil Alexander Mercado. Any question?
Sir, napindot po. Sir, napindot
Ay,
lang po.
napindot. Ayan. So I'll no for me in my computer no need to install this one because it's already installed in my computer unit. For the first time you install the Node.js, then you need to install this one. npm install Cordova. Just copy and then paste that in your command line. Okay? Then next is create an application. So how to create an application or project? So this is the command hello Cordova create hello. This is the name of the folder and then the template. This is the template. But for the meantime we'll be using hello world. Copy then paste. So if you notice in my folder I don't have any hello folder here. I'll be creating that one. Enter. What? Paste. Paste. Nope. Copy. Paste. Yeah. So creating a new Cordova project. So in my folder phone gap I have already hello. So this one, the www and so on and the like, config, git I mean git ignore and then package is already created. The next, okay, this creates a required directory structure for your Cordova app. By default, we have the Cordova create and then the name of the folder or the name of the project, and then this is the template. We'll be needing this one later on, the index.html. And then next is we have to go to our directory. So this is our command line and then this is our folder, phone gap and then hello. Then here, you type cd hello. So dapat nandun siya sa loob. Phone gap hello, phone gap hello. And then next is we need to create a platform. So for creating a platform, so it's either if you want to create a platform for iOS, then this is the command, but I'm using Android, so I'll be needing this platform. So Cordova platform add Android, copy, and then paste that here. So if you notice, it will create or generate files and folders in my phone gap. And then I have here my plugins. And then I have the platform, Android. Next is, once you created the platform, to check your current set of platforms, you can use this command line if you want to see the available platforms in your computer unit. Next is how to build an application, APK. So run the following command to build the project for all platforms, or you can optionally limit the scope of each build to specific platforms. For example, here the iOS, but I will not be building iOS. I'll be building APK or Android. So copy Cordova build Android. Changed iOS to Android. Then enter. Ayaw. Bakit? Cordova build Android. Enter. For this command line, Cordova build Android, you need to install the Android Studio. So Android Studio is required in order for you to create an APK file. Okay? Yeah. And then build successful, and then go to this directory. We have PhoneGap, hello. So PhoneGap, and then hello, then platforms, and then Android app build outputs APK debug, and then app debug APK. Now let's try to install that in my cell phone. Wait, let me uninstall the application. App Manager.
I'm switching connection now.
Wait. Hello. Okay. Okay. So I'm using the Google Drive to transfer the APK to my cell phone. You can use this one. Okay. So drive.google.com, and then I'll be putting that in this folder, Lorma PhoneGap. So let me remove this one, and then here drag there, and then I'll be opening this one in my in my cell phone. So let me stop sharing my screen, and then IT18 group 2. Group 2 IT18 group 2 Google Meet. Okay, and then I'll be sharing my screen. Okay, and then next is I'll be opening my Google Drive, and then I'll need to locate where I put the APK phone gap, and then I have here the um, app debug APK. So just stop and then install. Checking. Oh. Then here I've already installed the Hello World application, so I can open it already. So this is the basic how to create your first application. Okay. So for that, don't worry, this is recorded. And then I'll be uploading this one.